among the following is the association of individuals of different species living in the same habitat and having functional interactions? Coming to first one, that is population. So population consists of the individuals of the same species living in a specific area, not different species. So option A is incorrect. Option B, ecological niche. An ecological niche refers to the role and position a particular species has in its environment, including how it interacts with other organisms. So it is not about an association of different species. So option B is also incorrect. Option C, biotic community. So biotic community refers to an association of individuals of different species living in the same area and having functional interactions such as predation, competition, and symbiosis. So it involves all living organisms within a specific area interacting with each other, which means option C is the correct answer. Coming to option D, ecosystem. So ecosystem includes both biotic, that is living, and abiotic, that is non-living components, as well as the interaction in a specific area. So the question specifically refers to the interaction among species. So that means option D is incorrect. So option C is the correct answer.